Here comes a waterfall at the Old Mill District in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. There's Pigeon Forge.
We're gonna stay up here because it's muddy down there.
Okay.
Ooh, look at the waterfall.
Whoa, look at the waterfall. This is going to be a video of the waterfall passing in. Whoa, there's the waterfall. It's the lake, and it drops down, as you can tell. Just a place for cigarettes.
I think that's a river.
Whoa, what's that wheel?
That's because this used to be an actual mill. It used to run off of the water.
That wheel used to run off the water.
All right, buddy.
And that's it.